Hi, we are from Atcom Tuition. In this video, we are going to fill in the missing blanks by adding or subtracting the given numbers mentally with few examples. So, the first question given is 45 plus 35 equal to a blank, and then 80 minus 35 equal to a blank. So, here 35 is a center number, okay, which corresponds to both the operations. So, you want to find what is 45 plus 35 and what is 80 minus 35. So, now let's take the number first, 45 plus 35. So, we want to do it mentally. So, 45 can be written as 40 plus 5 and 30 can be thought as 30 plus 5. So, now we are adding 40 and 30 first, then we are going to add 5 and 5. 40 plus 30 is 70 and then we are going to add 5 and 5. So, 5 plus 5 is 10. So, 70 plus 10. So, it will be 80. So, the first blank it will be 80. Okay. Now, we are going to take the second number 80 minus 35. So, 80 minus 35 can be thought as 80 can be thought as 50 plus 30 and 5 can be split as 30 minus 5, that is minus 30 minus 5. So, this plus 30 minus 30 will go off, the remaining will be 50 minus 5 and so you will get the remaining as 45, that is 50 minus 5 is 45. So, now we have filled here, the blank is 80 and here it is 45. So, if you look into the given question, see we have 45 plus 35 which is 80 and the same thing. If you take away 80, that is if you subtract 80 minus 35, you will get the answer as 45. So, the 35 is the center number and whatever the operation you are performing, you will get the opposite numbers. This we have to think mentally. The next example given is 50 plus blank equal to blank and then 75 minus blank equal to 50. So, now let's take the first part as this 75 minus blank equal to 50. So, we want to find the center number. So, 75 minus dash equal to 50. So, we can rewrite this as 75 minus 50. I brought 50 this side which is equal to dash. So, now we know that 75 minus 50 is 25. So, therefore, 75 minus 25 is 50. So, here in the center number we found out it to be 25. So, now let us take the next number. That is, now we have found out the center number to be 25. So, we can find it as 50 plus 25 equal to blank. So, 50 plus 25 we can rewrite it as 50 plus 20 plus 5. 50 plus 20 is 70 plus 5. So, 70 plus 5 is 75. So, this we can fill the blanks as 25 in the center and 75 here. So, now here you look, 50 plus 25 is 75. The same 75 minus 25 you will get the answer as 50. So, this we have to check our answers mentally whether it's correct or not. The next example given is 110 minus 60 equal to blank and then 50 plus 60 equal to blank. Okay. So, now first let's take 110 minus 60. 110 can be written as 100 plus 10 then minus 60. Then 100 can be split up as 60 plus 40 then this plus 10 minus 60. So, this minus 60 and my plus 60 will be cancelled out. So, you will get only 40 plus 10 which is nothing but 50. So, we have to write 50 in this blank. Now, let's take the next number 50 plus 60. So, 50 plus 60 we can split this 60 as 50 plus 50 plus 10. So, 50 plus 50 is 100 plus 10, 110. So, thus we can write the answers as 110 minus 60 equal to 50 and then 50 plus 60 equal to 110. See here both are 110, here both are 60 and the number in the middle is 60. So, the only operation what we are performing is addition to get the larger number and subtraction to get the smaller number. So, the next example given is 320 minus 120 equal to blank, then blank plus 120 equal to 320. So now first let's take 320 minus 120 equal to blank. 320 can be written as 300 plus 20 minus 120. 300 can be split up as 100 plus 100 plus 100. Then this 20 minus 100 minus 20. So 100 and 120 will be subtracted from this 100 and 120. The remaining will be 100 plus 100, which is 200. So we have to write 200 in this blank. Now let's take the next part. Dash plus 120 equal to 320. So now this 320 can be split up as, we know that it's 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 120. So its 120 is already here. So the balance remaining is 100 plus 100. So which is 200. So it's 200 plus 120. So 120 is here. So we can write 200 in this blank. So now we can fill the blanks. So 320 minus 120 is 200. And then 200 plus 120 equal to 320. So now the blanks are 200 and 200. So the answers are same. So if you subtract a bigger number from smaller number, you will get a number. That number should be added with the smaller number to get the bigger number. So this is the way we can do the mental addition and subtraction. The next example given is fill in the missing boxes. Now we'll fill this mentally. So here is the fill. Now let us see how to fill this box. So the given question is 6 plus blank is 2, then 6 minus blank 2. Okay, so now 6 and 2 are the given numbers. So we have to fill in this green box and red box. So now we'll see. So if you add 6 and 2, you will get 8. Okay, so you'll get 8. So if you subtract 6 minus 2, you will get 4. So 6 plus 2 is 8 and 6 minus 4 is 2. So the boxes are 8 and 4. Okay. So in the next box they have given 5 minus 3 is 2 and 5 plus blank equal to 2. So 5 plus blank equal to 2. So what number you will get in the blank? What number is added with 5? Okay, 2 to get 5. So if you add 3 with 2, you will get 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, and 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, the next box given is 5 minus blank 5 plus blank 5. So 5 minus 0, you will get 5. Then 5 plus 0, you will get 5. So in the blanks are 0 and 0. In the same way, 5 minus blank 7. Okay, plus blank 5. So if you go with here, okay, so then you have to fill with 5 plus 2 is 7 and 7 minus 2 is 5. You have to think in which order you have to proceed so that you will get same number in the blank, and also you have to satisfy the given question. Hope you have understood how to do addition and subtraction mentally. Thank you for watching the video.